Alright, we're now recording the little branch arm floor drain downspout line in the basement down here. We are going to get a look. This is where it connects to the main sewer line stack there. That's out right by the 4x6 sewer transition in the front, about 6 feet deep, directly under the retaining wall. Let's zero out our footage here and come back towards the house now. So coming right here, right in here, that's where the downspout ties in, right at the foundation of the house. So there's about 15 feet of that little 3-inch, I believe it's a 3-inch line. Yeah, a little 3-inch line over there. I'm going to end the video there.